how to view other people's calendar in Outlook. So you're gonna have to put in mind that in order for you to see other people's calendar, you can only view them if they have shared them with you, or if whatever organization you want to see people's calendars has granted you permission. Since, of course, for security reasons and privacy reasons, Outlook does not really allow you to see someone's calendar unless access has been explicitly given to your email, or to basically you, of course. So the level of detail you see depends on the permission they set as well, since it could just be free, or the busy times, or limited details, or full event information. But again, as long as they share to you, and of course if you accept it. If they share to you, you can go ahead to your inbox over here and take a look at their invitation. You can go ahead and accept that. But once it is shared to you, you can go directly here into your calendars, and it should just be shown over here. So you can go ahead down here, and then you'll be able to see the groups that you are in, or you could also go ahead and manually add this shared calendar. So to view a shared calendar, you can open your Outlook account and then go to the calendar section, which we are already in, and then press on the click add calendar. So you can go ahead and open up an address book again, which should only appear if it is shared to you, and you can just set it to however you like. You can create a blank one and then just set it to the calendar that this person or the organization has shared to you. But this is basically the section where you can see other people's calendars in Outlook. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.